daily skin quest. Dot.
Wait, my charger's in my car. Let's study. We're gonna study until we feel like we're gonna fall asleep. I'm out of my coffee. Oh wait, this little drop of coffee. It's like drugs. Ah, tastes bad. Tastes raw. Raw coffee. Blech. It tastes so bad. It's giving me the shivery timbers. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Tastes really bad. Why did I drink that? Okay. Hey Siri, how much time left until 12 a.m.? Hey Siri, how much time left until 12 a.m.?
It's 1 hour and 41 minutes until then.
We need to lock in. Let's do all the math once. Hey Siri, what is 50 minus 20?
Sorry, I didn't get that. Could you restate the question?
What is 50 minus 20? I think it's
50
30.
minus 20 is 30.
Oh, it is 30. Nice. Linear equation in two variables is at 60% mastery right now. Sideways, but is a frequent point leak at your medium. When the problem describes a change, write a quick data equation. Yo, it's so hot right now, and my fan is not turning on. Aha, it turned on. You know what? Let's do this. Let's turn the speed on, and let's put some fan to my what do you call it, laptop, and to myself. You know what? Give me all the fan. I need the fan. Okay. When your problem describes a change, write a quick data equation before solving. Example plus 2y means the total change by 2. Coefficient of y to solve. Oh, how often must change to keep the total fixed? When you find a slope with the navigation, so carry the navigation of all the way to navigation. On setup steps like this equal this cross multiplies one line. I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay, let's go. A bakery sells muffins and scotches. On Monday, the bakery sold 5 muffins and 6 scotches for a total of $38. On Tuesday, the bakery sold 7 muffins and 2 scotches on a total of $37. $34. If M represents a dollars, wait, if M is the price of the muffin, oh yeah, and this is which is the value of M plus. So we do this 5x1 plus 5m plus 6s and 7m plus 2s. Oh wait, then so the first one is, oh wait, it says it here. What am I doing? And 34. So m minus s is $1. Nice. A stadium has 10 lower section and 15 upper section. Okay. What does that mean? I don't know. A total number of separate spectators in station is 3,000. And the equation 10x plus 15y plus 3,000, where x is the average number of, oh, where x is the average. Okay, wait. If each lower session has an average of 50 more spectators than the upper one, where x is the average number of spectators in each row session and y is the average number in each upper. So let's just remove that with x and remove that with y. If each lower session has an average of 50, if Each lower session has an average of 50 more spectators than the upper. Why? So the lower session. Okay, so X is lower. So I don't think it wants to know that. It wants to know. Oh no, no! A stadium has 10 lower sessions and 15 upper sessions. The total number of spectators in the stadium is 3,000. The equation 10x plus 15y equals 3,000. In this situation where x is the average number of spectators in each lower session and y is the average number of spectators in each upper session. Hey Siri, set a timer for 50 minutes. If each lower session Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes. 15 minutes. 50.
15 minutes starting now.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 50 minutes.
15 minutes starting now.
Oh my goodness. Nice. What x is and y is the average number of if each lower session has an average of 15 more spectators than each of the upper, which choice is the value of so you want 60x plus 1,000 200, but there's no 200. Hmm. I have no idea what's this. Let's see. A stadium has 10 lower sessions and 15 upper sessions. The total number of sessions is 3,000. Okay. 10x and y. Where x is the average of number of spectators in lower session and y is the average number of spectators in each upper sessions. If each lower session has an average of 50 more, then each lower session, which sources the value of x, has an average of 15 more. I think I want 50x plus 50. So it must be 80, right? But if you make that 60, it's 50. I have no idea. It could be 80. Nope, it's not 80. Uh, if the lower sessions have 50 more spectators per session than the upper session, isn't it like this? Like it could be 10x with plus every y. no idea what I just typed, but this looks beautiful. Nice. Give me a last mistake. That the total equation is y equals 300. What are we doing? Divided by 15. Okay, you know, explain step by step. Lower session has 15 more than upper session means x equals y plus 50. So y is 100, right? Oh, wait, how did he do it with? So, so 10x is 15y. Oh, wait, and another one is um, let me see, equal y plus 50 is 3000, and another one is just x1. Did I forgot to put? Oh yeah, I did. Oh, was that easy? Oh. The teacher sold a total of what? Let's actually think about it. So because a stadium lowers stadiums and 15 upper stadiums and is equal to 3, which gives us this equation, we also know that x is the average number of stadiums, and that um, if each lower stadium has an average of 50 more stadium than each station, that means okay, okay, so x is y plus 15. X2 is y2 plus 15. Oh, okay. The stadium sold a total of 120 tickets for the show. Okay. Um, adult tickets cost that much, and baby tickets cost this much. The total amount of money collected from the thing. Ooh. Okay. So 80, and this is x plus y equals 120, and then which is just the number of adults tickets sold. So this is y, this is x. And let's see where they touch. So adults is the first one, right? Yeah. So adults is 80 tickets. I didn't even read the question properly, and because it's kind of random. In an XY plane, a line L passes through this, in a particular parallel to the line with the equation this. What is the y-intercept of the line K? Oh no! 4x minus 3y equal 12. I don't like this. I don't like this, me. Um, where's the y-intercept? Hmm. Hmm. Um, well, it's parallel. Because it's parallel, I can just. Nope. Nope. Ah. So the y-intercept x and the y, which is negative 0 13. Nah, it looks not. 11 over the oh 11 over 3. Nope, that's perpendicular. Negative 11 over 3. Nope, that touches. Negative 4. That also touches. Negative 3 over 11. I, that line touches. 11 over 3. That line touches too. Negative 11 over 3. That touches. And negative 4. That all touches. Okay, let me read that again because I think I read it wrong. In the xy plane, line at K, which is 2 and negative 1, passes through the point this and is parallel to the line with the equation this, which is 4x minus 3y equal to 12. What is the y-intercept of K? Meaning, wait, what? Wait, what? 2 and negative 4? Did I write something wrong? 4x minus 3y equal 12. Okay, I wrote everything right. Okay, so 0, because that's x, and for the y, negative 0 over 11. That does not, you know what, even I will even put it down. Alright, 11 over 3. Not that either. Negative 11 over 3. Oh, it's negative 11 over 3. So I put the formula wrong. What did I do wrong? I love how I have to click it. Yeah, delete this. Yeah. Okay, what did I do wrong? I put 2. Oh, I didn't put negative 1. Oh my goodness. Is that why I was getting all of them wrong? That's exactly why I was getting all of them wrong. Oh my goodness. I need to be good at looking at choices. Okay. Boom. A sack shop sells small bags of nuts and large bags of nuts. Each small nuts bag of nuts, each small bag contains 6 ounces of nuts, and each big bags contain 10 ounces of nuts. A customer buys a total of these nuts. In the equation shown, X represents the small bags and Y represents the number of large bags. Which choice could be the value of y if x, y must both be a whole number? Hey Siri, what's a whole number?
An integer is the number zero, a positive natural number, or the negation of a positive natural number. Do you want me to keep reading?
Oh wait, I forgot to put why. Why do I always do this? What's a whole number? Which choice would be the value of y? Oh wait, it gave us choices. What am I doing? Y equals 1. Mm-mm. 4. Nope. 7. Nope. 8. Oh, it's 8. Siri, you didn't tell me a whole number is like numbers that doesn't have dots.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
I didn't get that. Could you try what is a whole number in SAT math? Let's see. SAT math, a whole number is any negative integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Whole numbers have no parts or decimals. While they include 0 and all possible counting numbers, they do not include negative numbers. Understanding the subjective difference between what was that picture? Oh no, no. Between number catalogs can preserve costly mistakes in the disk. Integers, whole numbers, but they do not include negative numbers. Integers, whole numbers, but they do not include negative numbers like these. Natural number. Wait, integers, whole numbers, but they do. Oh, they do include negative numbers. Okay, okay. Natural numbers, positive counting numbers, extending, including zero, including, including zero. Rational numbers, any numbers that can be written as a fraction. Um, non-negative integer. Alright. Wait. Tell me what these are not like. Example: whole numbers do not with numbers. Decimals. Alright, wait, give me a second. Let me see. This could help me in future. Numbers are not. No negative. They do not include values like below zero, like this. No decimals. They do not include particular values like this. Okay. No fractions. They do not include broken parts of numbers like this. No irregular numbers. They do not include numbers that cannot be written in simple fractions like pi or this. If the number has a minus sign, a decimal point, or fraction bar, it's not a whole number. Okay, nice. Okay, um, nice. XY plane line P is defined by 2x plus minus y equal 5. And line Q is defined by Q 4x minus 3y equal 9. Line R passes through the intersecting of line P and Q and has a slope of 2, negative 2. Which choice is the equation for line R? It has a slope of 2, negative 2, so these two already die. Oh, wait. What is negative 1, 2? That's not 2. So that's not the slope. Bam. Alright, y equals negative 2x minus 23 over 5. Nope. Negative 2x plus 23 over 5. Yeah, baby. Yeah. A warehouse ships two types of boxes, type F and type P. Each type F box weighs 4 pounds, and each type P weighs 7 pounds. The total weight of all the boxes in the ship is 276 pounds. No, 76. If the number of type P is 8 more, if the number of type P boxes is more than 8 more than the number of type F boxes, how many type F boxes are in the thing? Oh yeah, we have to do this again. So boom. So P and another one. No, P die. So P and another one is um so ah so F 4F plus, you know what, this should have, okay, yeah, 4F plus um 7P, and we do this, and over here P is P plus, no, P is F plus 8, and the other one is 276 6. 276. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? It's 276, right? Yeah. How many type F boxes are in the shipment? Um, if the number of type P boxes is 8 more than number of F boxes. Okay, wait, there's something wrong. So we already know the formula is F 4F plus 7P equals 276 pounds. Okay. Now, no, it's just X and Y. Or you can just say 4 plus 7 with X and Y. Oh yeah, the number of um the number of P boxes 8 more than the number. So P, but if the number of type P, which is the second one, actually no, yeah, which is the second one, is more 8 more than number of type F. 8 more than type F. So first is F and the second one is P. So we can do P plus F plus 8. So this on the formula for F plus 7P and P. Um, 267. Really, 267? I knew it. I wrote something wrong. 276. Oh my goodness. 276 and um what's it? Aha! How many type F boxes are on the ship? Hmm. Oh my god, I keep on writing your own stuff, bro. A craft store dollars of a 4.20 x each charges $4.20 for each pack of bread and $3 for each meal. Okay, plus 3y equals to equal to 51. Now is the total cost in dollars for buying P-packs and oh, if a customer buys 9 spoons of ribbon, what is the value of P? Oh my goodness, a craft store charges 4.20 for each pack of bread and $3 for each spoon. The equation this marks and the total cost for buying. If the customer buys so which is the value? So um so it is y. Y equals 9. So it means if you do this, boom 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 and boom, then you click on this button, oh my goodness. And then you see which one gives you the same thing. Oh wait, yeah, we're looking for that. 57142. I mean, it's one digit off, but that's still the answer, right? Oh wait, that got rounded up. 7142, and this could be rounded up. So yeah, line M is defined by 3x minus 2y equal 8. 3x minus. Line N is perpendicular to line M in the xy plane and passes through the point um, -2 and 5. Which choice is the y-intercept end? So, to make something perpendicular, you take the slope needs to be the same, I think. We change the slope. I think it's the slope. We do 3 negative um is that perpendicular? That doesn't look perpendicular. Let's do that. Wait, let's do that with y. 1, 2. The negative becomes positive because negative, negative. Does that look perpendicular? Do you turn the slope or the line to? I don't know. This is bad. Okay. Another thing, change the color. Alright. We want to pass through there, and because this line. Okay. I think we change the slope. Alright. -1, 2, and making negative. Boom. Is that perpendicular? That kind of looks perpendicular. Okay. Table, -2 and 5. Make this 1, make this also 1. Oh my goodness, why doesn't it work? I saw someone did it before. Which choice is the y-intercept? Oh, I mean, I can just. Oh my goodness, I could have just did this. I could have just said table and could have just. Oh wait, could have just did this and then which choice passes through the y-intercept? So I x and y. Y is like maybe 11 to 3. I don't do this. And let's see, does that give us. Oh, this is going to be bad. I mean, it is negative, so it is the x you change, but I don't think that gives you 3. That's not sweet. That's close to sweet. That's not sweet. Hmm. I did something wrong. I know I did something wrong. I keep on writing something wrong. 3x minus 2y equal 8. And let's get a table. We got negative 2 and 5. And and 0 because y-intercept 11 divided by 3. Click on that line. That gives us something. But is that you can't do both of them. You're only supposed to do one of them, which is the x and not the y. So it's not this. Okay? But why that's wrong. Like I say, that is wrong. Um that is also wrong. How do you do this, bro? I mean, can't I just do negative minus x? Wait, which one gives you 0.22? Um, 11 divided by 6. Nope, negative 2 divided by 1. Oh, close. But yeah, that's nothing. I'm gonna see. Oh wait, I don't have enough time. Stop playing with time. X, y-intercept. What could that y-intercept be? This could be a y-intercept. Is that a good straight line? Oh wait, wait, no. That's 0 point this. We don't want that. Okay. So it's not the first one. That means it's the now mind. It's either 11 divided by 2. Could be 11 divided by 2. Hmm. Well, let me get a hint. Give me a hint for why. So you can read it so directly. Yeah, shouldn't the slope be perpendicular? Which means it should be negative 1/3 x minus 2y equal 8. We'll make this y1 and make this x1 and get a table with one. Okay, let's just test it. Will it work? Oh, wait. It kinda works. Ish. Why did they give us. Um, okay, let's see. No, it doesn't really work. Negative 5 and 5. And this one is like 0 and 3. No. Yep, absolutely not. Wait. No, I'm not. I mean, yeah, I have no hopes for myself. Um, Give me another hint. Wait, isn't the formula y equal mx plus b? This is not y. So 3x minus 2y equal 8. Um, it's the same thing as equal mx plus b. So, negative 8 plus 3x equal to y. That's the same line, right? Yeah. Okay, because we converted that into that. 2y equal 3x minus 8. Again, same line. Okay, so this one becomes 1/3 negative x. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Our negative. That is perpendicular, but it's not. Wait, what? Okay, I mean it is perpendicular, so we can just do it straight. Yeah, it's not touching it right now. So. Okay, I cannot spend more than 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. In decimals, type in the equation y equals this. Y equal 2 divided by 3 and x plus 2 plus 5. What are you talking about? Okay, you know what? Where did you. What? Oh, in my question, did it. Oh, wait. Ah, okay. Okay, so 3 divided by 2 and what was this? I think 8 divided by 2. Okay, so that kills the 2, which makes this become 2, and this becomes 3, and this becomes. No, it doesn't become negative. Okay, wait. 3x minus 2y equal 8. Right. We want to make it into y equal mx plus b. So, we only want one y. So, to do that, the 3 becomes negative. So, negative 2y equals 3 negative 3x plus 8. And we wanted to kill the negative 2. So, we do it by negative 2, which causes this to be 2. So, this becomes y equal positive 2 and 2x plus 8. Oh no, it becomes 4. No. It's just negative 4, which is the same line. Now this is what we got. And so we can just whoop whoop and turn this into no accident. We can just make this 2 and make this 3 and make this negative. This gives us this. But does that passes through -5? Oh my god, it doesn't. So how are we gonna make it so it passes through that? I mean, it's touching it, not really. Wow, 6 7. So 367. Which one gives us 367? Oh, look at that. It's wait. Oh, it's this. Oh my goodness. Wait, what did he do? He did -5 here. And huh? I have no idea why you did that, but okay. Let me take a screenshot of this and send it to Discord so I could get like a way that's easier than just doing all of this. Oh my goodness. Let's say we got 2x minus 2y equal 8, right? And we want something that's perpendicular to it. So how do we turn this? We um we take this, we take this, we go to table, we write 0.666 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 7 0 0 and 4. I mean -4. -4. Okay. Now we delete these two. Click on this beautiful button. It gives us this equation, which is the same line. It's beautiful. It's actually so beautiful. Now, because we got this line and we got everything else, we can just make it so. Wait. If you think about it, what is 1.5 in decimals? It's 3 over 2, baby. So 3 over 2 becomes 2 over 3 x minus 4. Oh yeah, don't forget the minus. And now here's the problem. How will you make it so it touch -4 5? Could you just do this and this? I mean, the equation don't really care. So we remove it. Nope. Over 5. We wanted to touch there. But we can also do like 0 and like, or we can just add. Okay, never mind. We can just minus. Boom. And the answer is somewhat 0.61. But if you did not do this method, is there a way to simplify this? I mean, how would you know these two are the same? I mean, you could take the distance of this and this and this and this, and then make this A and make this B, make this C, and make this D. And you could say B, you did this, and then you say C, D. Okay, never mind. The book. This I don't know what's an easy. Oh wait, about this. Negative 2 divided by 3 is 0.666, and I lost hope already. All right, let's see in the Discord server how I can like simple. Where is that Discord server? The crack. Okay. It's literally called crack. Or cracked. Okay, yeah, cracked. Please load. Okay, well we go. Let's do another one. A lab technician needs to prepare 10 liters of a 36% acid solution by mixing it. Oh my god, I did this before. A 36 acid solution by mixing a 50% acid solution and a 20% acid solution. If X is the number of liters of the 50% acid solution used, and the y is the number of what is the which choice is the value of y? Um. Oh, okay. So to get 10 liters of 1 minus 0.38. Oh wait. 1 minus 0.38. No, wait, 138. So 0.66. Which is 38%. Needs to prepare 10 liters of 38 acid for mixing 50% acid and a 20% acid. Okay, 10. liters is 38% acid. Then 50 or then 8 is 38%, which is 10. Because G equals 10. Now let's look for F. F is 20. It's 5 point something. So 5 plus 10 is 15. I don't know, bro. Oh my goodness. But the answer has to be 4. How do I know? Okay. We take technician, guys. I'm a technician. Yo, load up. Oh, it's break time. Who needs break, bro? Um, wait, give me a second. Someone like told me how to do something. Bro, this isn't a payment density. Skip to AI stopping to ask questions. Huh, wait, what? Appearing density? This isn't a payment density. Skip to AI stopping to ask questions. Wait, this is AI slot? You know what? Let's do a practice this. How about that? It doesn't matter if I lose or life. Uh, One of them gave me a link, which will take me to. Aha, found it. Found it. Okay, so it is this. You sure Nico is the most? Yeah, I mean, it does tell you most of it. Okay, plan levels. December 5. Oh yeah, there is something. Let's do a practice test. There's so many. Um, Wait. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is really cool. Are you doing math first? Wait. Should I do color academy? I'm sure I could. There's so many possibilities, bro. Right. Um, this does look like the real deal. Love how some buttons don't work. Doo-doo. I'm kind of thinking I should do one prep or yeah, let's do one prep. One prep or I mean one prep really doesn't explain how to do stuff. But there's another one which so many mixed feelings. Of so many pins from um oh, 38 minutes until midnight, which is not good. Hey Siri, what's the best one prep uh no. What's the best SAT website?
I found this on the web for what's the best on prep. Check it out.
What's the best SAT website? Hmm. Wait, give me a second. I would be back. Wait, I'm gonna do some research. How are people joining a call? Oh, join calling the call. Oh, Let's go to the resources under study quickly. So, hmm. This so defined by 3. Oh, what do I do? Oh, 3x minus 2y equals 8. Okay, I mean, if someone says it's a slop and then don't like tell me what I could do, I should just stay in one doing. But yeah, okay, let's take this picture. Let's show the screen with this picture. Um, let's share my screen. I forgot how to share my screen. It's all to me. I should take a practice session in another what do you call another website like one prep or like what's another website I know that you can take practices. One prep is the only one I know, and I could do college sport, but people say it's easier. So I don't know what they're talking about. They have all mixed feelings. So I should stay on where I'm going. Line M is defined by this. What did he do? He turned the X. He turned both of those. Where did you get P from? Okay, never mind. This is not the easier way to do. This is like a harder way. I mean, if you know how to do math like really well. Um, I do see that G equals or P. Oh, G means good and P means poor or something like that. But yeah, um, he did do divide by two because 2y, which is what I did too. Um, minus 8. I mean, I did minus 8 too, right? Minus 4. I mean, yeah, I don't know what he did. Wait, is the P with. Wait, let's go to any. Wait, how many questions do I have to do? Please tell me not too much. Wait, size is T. Um, let me see. Did you like just add the number G? I mean, then you have to define what G is, right? Equals 3x divided by 2. Wait, if both of them have the divided sign, then it's not negative. Minus 8. Okay, I don't know why you put green on this part too. Okay, 30. I have to do 20 more in under 30 minutes. I mean, sure, bro. I will. You know what? Let's not do English because English is taking. I mean, math because math's taking way too much time. Oh wait, where's my phone? Give me. If I want to open Discord, I could just open it here. Oh yeah, I actually not really. I don't deserve no break. Um, let's see. So, when I that's a hard problem too. I will do that later. I have to finish this book. Inference mastery is 61, and then some faster benchmark. But accuracy being certain. Your misses mostly come from answers that add extra claims or over you're picking something past possible, but not something the passes actually forces. Only trustworthy. Well, the misses mostly come from answers that add extra claims or overgeneralizations. You're picking something possible, but not something the passes actually forces. Like most residents are roughly used or only trustworthy, or the claim that happens over before choosing relate. One of the narrow sentences. Relate the interface as one narrow sentence, one that bridge word suggests. Not the absolute. Quick. Yeah, no, okay. Oh my god. Which choice most logically completes the text? Adding a solar system fire compared data from two ground-based radio telescopes, about 500 telescopes. One recorded a sharp burst in single strength, 2 seconds distance of fire. In telescopes two, a similar burst and polarized change appeared about 90 seconds later. It didn't say how much seconds on this one. Um, the team also noticed a small difference in order of the two features. In telescope 1, the pulsar changes begin slightly before the peak in signal strength. In telescope, it begins slightly after. Because the telescope timing system overdrifted are currently only part of the team explained that the small timeline errors could have made the features appear offset even if they occurred at the same moment. Therefore, the team cautioned that the signal, which was offset, the team explained that small timeline errors could have made the offset. The process change and slightly stretched bus may actually because they travel more slowly through the atmosphere of the sun. No, the record groups. Nope. Yeah, it was a sorry. The boys are changing the signal. She can't see that even if telemetry. So, right. Let me read this one.
The polarization change and the signal strength burst may actually coincide, even if timestamp drift makes them seem slightly out of order.
What does that mean? The polarization change and the signal cycle may actually coincide.
Coincide.
To occupy the same place in space and time. Occupy? I think that's occupy.
Occupy.
Nice. Give me 20 seconds. I need to look with my eyes are illuminating. Oh my goodness. Hey Siri, set a timer for 20 seconds.
20 seconds, starting now.
A square has 4 sides. A pentagon has, I think. No way! 20 seconds just. That was the fastest 20 seconds in my life. Okay, the positive change in the signal strength burst may actually occupy even if timestamps drift makes the seam slightly out of order. Which choice most logically completes the sentence? In her. Yo, I'm not doing this. I don't have enough time. Let's do nonlinear function. I'm good at nonlinear function. Yeah, 73 mastery. Alright, nice. Oh my god. Okay, bam. The system equation, boom, boom. When the equation above are graphed in the XY plane, which given choice gives the points of the two graphs. Okay, so where they touch. Hey, that sounds weird. That sounds bad. I should not even talk at all for the next 10 minutes. Please don't make me do this. Please don't make me do this. Oh my goodness. Plus is equal to 13 to 11 minus square. Oh my goodness. 11 square t 13 to. Wrong. So if this is here too. Oh wait, this is a minus. Wait. Oh my goodness, I'm wrong. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. So boom boom plus 13. Oh wait, this is minus. Okay, and the next one is plus for some reason. And then the 2. Yeah, so it's the first one. Nice. I'm so happy I don't have to check all of them. Okay, but we have to make some ways to be efficient. We can do this and then do this. We don't have to do this and then do this. Go. Mixture is made by combining m grams of a solution with 3 grams of the solution. The solution mass fragment C is defined by this, which choice correctly expresses m in terms of C and V. My head hurts, bro. Okay, we're trying to find m. C equal m divided by m plus v, because m. Oh wait, there's 2 m's. This guy, he always says it.
E.
Oh, I accidentally put another symbol. I mean, I can do times m to get rid of m. You know what? No, let's not do that. Let's make let's make m3 and v5. Okay. Now because we got that, we need to do the same thing. So m is 3. Okay. Remember that. That's important. So v1. Oh my god. v1 minus c. Make that c small. Okay. C. We got 8. That's wrong. CV equals 1 minus C. That's also wrong. CV, oh my god, CV 1 minus C. Ah, that's the answer. Ah, yay. Anything I make, it's always the same. Okay, let's do this method. Let's never try to do the other method. The positive real number A, B, and C satisfies this. Which equation correctly expresses C in terms of A and B? So you need to do A plus B minus C squared minus 4. Okay, now because they're positive numbers, yay, let's make this, and this, 6, 7. Okay, now we're trying to find C. So let's see which one gives us A minus 4. That is not C. That is not C either. Nope. That is C. I did it under a minute. Nice. A point xy in the xy plane satisfies the question. Boom boom. If is the first quarter, which is the value for y equal x minus 2 and x squared plus 2 squared equal 20. If xy is the first quadrant is in the first quarter, which of the equation is the value of y? Do you mean -4 or 2? Oh no! In the first quarter, which one is the first quarter? A point xy in the xy plane satisfies this equation, this and this. Yes. Not a point, but 2 points for some reason. If xy is in the first quarter, which choice is the value of y? That was a guess. I mean, no, not a guess. I mean, yeah, a 50% guess. It could have been -4 too. Why was it not -4? Yeah, it gave me 2 solutions. Use the first quarter condition. First quarter means, wait, does it really say first quarter, or am I reading it wrong?
Quadrant.
Quadrant?
Quadrant.
What is quadrant? A quadrant. One part of something that is evenly divided into 4 parts. Is this like quarter, like the coin? Okay, why was it not A? I mean not A, 2 and B. Wait. Yeah, why was it not B? This confuse an x value with a y value. The negative solution is -2, which it is, and then y is x minus 2, which is 4. The point And the point is not in the first quarter. Like first quarter. So first quarter means positive? Yeah, first quarter condition, which is x have to be more than 1. I mean 0. Okay, quarter means more than 1. Which choice gives the value of x that satisfies the equation? X squared t, x plus 2 equals x divided by 2. Um, it's not giving us this. So what you do is you do this, and then you just minus this, and then just you just say y equal x plus 2, and it touches there. Boing. Alright, 2 plus 2 square t is 3. Wait, we want which one gives the value of x? Okay, so just delete. Oh my goodness. Okay, you wanna be difficult. 4, 6, 4, 1. So it's the first one. But why are you being so difficult? Why can I not just? So you want me to do this? You can't just select the whole thing. Oh, but you can do it like that. But you can't. Okay. Difficult, bro. Graphs of the equation, boom and boom, intersects at exactly 1 point. Which choice could be the value of c? Y equal x divided by 2 minus 6x plus c, and y equal 2x plus 5. What could c be? Wait, let's make this like real small. Okay, this is the smallest it gets for some reason. 21. Does it touch only 1? It doesn't. It's saying it's kind of touching and not, so it's 21. The equation relates to the positive number b. The equation relates the positive numbers b, x, and y. Which choice is the correct expression? Y equals express y in terms of b. The equation relates the positive numbers bx and y. Which choice correctly expresses y in terms of b? Okay, so x minus y. Obviously do this. 2b, which would x1 equal 2 plus y1 equal 2 of 50. Okay, yeah, it does. Choice correct expresses y in terms of b. Why is there 2? Oh, wait. Let's write that again. Boom. Meaning, in the expression related to x, y, which was going to express as y in terms of b. So boom. Alright, we got everything. Wait, isn't this like 5? And isn't this also 5? Wait. Oh. Nice. Okay, so. You know what? Just make this 5 for good measures. Okay, so. Which one gives us the value of y, which is 5? Um, I just realized something. I could have just did this whole time. This is way safer. This and x1 squared plus b y1 squared. And then just boing boing, and then just do 2b, and the other one is just 50. Nice. Okay, same thing, but more secure. We want y1. So which one does that? Square root 50 divided by 4b squared plus 1. Boom, the first one. It's always the first one, for some reason. Two real numbers, x and y, satisfies the system below. X plus y equal 12 and xy equal 35. Is the value of the larger of the two numbers. Which choice is the value of this 7 and this 5? But that's x, so isn't 7 larger? Yeah. Real numbers x, y satisfies the equation. Boom, boom. Which choice is the value of x, y? Oh, okay. So you just want me to do this x1 plus, I forgot to put 1, and x plus y. Oh my goodness. 10 and 58. So x, oh wait, 21. I love how they put 21 at the bottom, even though this is supposed to be from lowest to largest. Equation relates the positive number p and q, which equation correctly expresses p in terms of q. So 2 divided by p plus 3 divided by q equal 1. Okay, so q is this jumble of numbers. Wait, no, we're trying to find p. Yeah, p. 2. I mean, they are positive numbers. Okay, 2q divided by q plus 3. Nope. 2q, 1 minus 3q. Nope. Q minus 3. Oh. 2q. Oh, nope. 2q. Q minus 3. Aha. Yo, there's a fly who's going round and round. Round and round. The wheels on the bus. Positive numbers x and y satisfies the equation. Which choice is the value of x? X and y satisfies the equation. Okay. Oh, it's one of those. Y1. I have to put these two. I have to get better at like typing. One. Oh wait, 6 and 2. I mean, these are both positive, so which one gives us, let's go to 37, 7, 13.08276276. Yes, perfect. First one. Answers are first for some reason. I mean, letter A. X satisfy this question below. Boom, boom. What is x? So you want me to do this again. X1 minus y1 and x1 y1. Where yo, I have to cut my nails. They're way too big and kind of not good. So we want to do this, which is this jumble of numbers. For t 73. I put plus, not. Okay, 2. Nope. But the next one is just, boy, please. The next one is just minus sign. Wait. Okay. 73 and 2. Boom. Found it. Wait, it's this one. Wait, what's the difference between this and this? Oh, this is not negative more. I need to really cut my nails. Okay. Yay, 100% accuracy. How much time do I have? Like, I don't know, maybe like 6 or 7. 7 minutes. I need to do like. Hey Siri, what is 50 minus 43?
50 minus 43 is 7.
Thank you, Siri.
No problem.
Wait, 7? I have to do. Oh no. Oh, go. A delivery truck is loaded with small crates and large crates, so that total weight is exactly 300 kilograms. Each small crates is weigh this, and each large crate is okay. If X is the number of this and X is the number of that, am I really bald? Okay. X versus Y in terms of Y. Okay. Negative 3x, right? But then you have to divide everything by 5. So what's 300 divided by 5? It's 60. And what's 3 divided by 5? 0.6. Which is also. Wait, because they're both the same, wouldn't they both give me the same equation? Wait. Boom, got it. I'm telling you, it's the first one for some reason. A designer makes 3 digital triangles, red triangles, each with length L and width. Okay. The designer also makes 8 squares, each with side length and wall. Each with side length W. None of the shapes share a side. The sum of the of the red triangles and squares is 312. Which equation represents the thing? Okay, all of them should be 312. Length and width. Each with length and width. With 8 squares, each with length and width. With side length and W. I don't know how you're gonna find this. There's no. Oh. Okay, so we know there's 3 red triangles and 8 squares. A red triangle have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4. And then. Okay, so the W should be less than, which is 6. So this is the other one, so I'd kill that. Make 3 identical red triangles. Okay, so a square. He said square, right? 8 square. So 8 times. It's 8. 1%. Okay. So it should be 8, right? Oh, wait. A square has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So 8 times 4 is 32. So 30. Okay, fine. It's this one. Red triangle has how many length? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know how you got 6 from. But let's draw a rectangle. You know what? This is a rectangle. Wait. Yeah, rectangle. So this is length and this is width. At least I think that's length and width. Wait. Oh, width is tall and length is this. Oh yeah, I got it right. Alright, nice. So times 4, I mean, wait, no, times 3 will make this 3 and make this 3. And then the square has W here and W. So 4W. So 1 square equals 4 W's. And 4 W's times 8 is, I don't know, oh, 32. So 32 W's plus 3 more W, which makes it 35. Wait, 34 W's, right? Because 4 times 8, because 8 squares is 32 W's. So 32 W's plus, oh, this one has 2 W's. So 2 W's over 3. So I didn't say Siri. Plus 6. Makes 38 W's. Oh!
Okay.
What do you mean, okay? I get it. I get it now. The W's. Oh no, I have to do like 5 circles! Let me do circles. Hurry! Let's do circles. Which choice is the length of PQ? P to Q. It's 120. Never mind, it's not 120. But you can also do 120 divided by 2, which gives you 60. Oh my god, I'm gonna do. Oh wait! Circumstance of this. Okay, so 120 times 48 divided by 360. 16. Ding-a-ling-a. Alright, let's go. No time to waste. The measurement point A to B on the circle. Oh, it's on the center of. Oh. The measurement angle is every which is one random circumstance. It's 12. Yes, big circle. Yes. Okay, wait. A circular walking path has a total length of 90. Is that 90? Circular walking path has a total length of 90. Okay, so this is 18 feet. In degrees of the cylinder angle. So the circumstance is 90, so 90 divided by 360. Oh, you already gave us the feet, which I would have used. Wait, no. The circumstances. Oh, okay. Times 18. Oh, wait. What? A circular walking path has a total length of 90. So this whole thing is 90. It's not 360. Can I do another question? Oh my goodness. The shortest arc to the path from A to B is 18 degrees. I have no idea what this is talking about. Seriously, no idea. Wait, I can just answer. Wait, I lost a life. Wait, then I lost a life? Please, 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 please. I didn't lose a life. I'm gonna lose a life. I'm gonna lose a life. What? You know what? I'm doing this. Start. Oh my goodness. Based on the text, wait. Based on the text, this describes the authors of text 2 most likely respond to. While in-person interaction can be viable, remote work hardly dorm. Remote work hardly dorms productivity. A 20-minute survey from 5,000 employees improved who work from home completed 13% more tasks per week than in their office. Allow terms to documents to listen, making vision highly visible to managing and co-workers. Free schedules and flexible hours can in fact increase productivity. Office spaces are the heart to innovation. Being physically together let employees bounce off the ideas from in real time, which simply cannot replace a true screen. While people work from home, they are more prone to distraction. By addressing the online community tools and criticism, by pointing out that measuring productivity gains show. Again, that was more attractive, but insisting. Huh? By arguing that remote work is attractive, but insisting it should be reserved by only few certain industries. Nice. Did I really highlight all of that? Oh my goodness, I just realized that's a lot of highlightization. By pointing out the measurable productivity gain among remote work. Please tell me I didn't lose a life. Please tell me I didn't lose a life. Let me refresh it for the last time. I didn't lose a life. Yuppie. Alright, I think I'm gonna lose a life in like a few seconds. Oh, look at me, I'm the third person. Oh, you know what drop means? That means they lost all their lives. That's good. It's not good for them. But boo-hoo. I'm like third in ranked. I'm gonna be like one. And the guy who's at one is like crazy. He's so crazy it's not even loading. Oh. No, the guy in fourth dropped out. No. This guy didn't even do anything. Oh, it just started. What you mean you did 46 questions in 8 minutes? Is that even possible to do 43 questions in 8 minutes? No. Wait, let me take like a screenshot of that. Just to be sure. Okay, bye bye guys. I have to go sleep and wake up at daytime and feed my kids. So bye bye. Yay. Okay, bye.